For today's live cooking demo, correct, I'm doing chicken chop with salted egg sauce for our dinner. Okay, so here are the ingredients for my chicken chop. Hi Jasmine, I'm cooking chicken chop with salted egg yolk sauce. Okay, so this is the marinade boneless chicken drumlet. Okay, I marinate with the usual ingredients like soy sauce, pepper, cooking wine, grated ginger, and this minced garlic. Okay, then we have veggie for tonight. Later I'm going to blanch this broccoli and carrot. The salted egg powder from North. And we have this butter. And we have this one, chili flake. You can use chili flakes or you can use the real small chili. Okay, so tonight we are using this one, chili flake. Okay, plus minced garlic. So later we will mince the garlic. Okay, the rice for tonight is this one. I already pre-soaked my rice. I think you can see this one. Short grain with mixed red rice. Okay, my short grain and red rice. Okay, I'm going to cook my rice first, so hang on for a while, okay? Okay. So first what we're going to do is we're going to blanch the veggie first. Okay? So I already prepared a pot of water. You can see over here. Okay, I will add a pinch of salt and some oil to the water to season it so that when I blanch the veggie, alright, you will have some taste for the veggie. The water to boil, alright, we will fry egg first. It's not very simple, I think you all know, right? We're going to fry 2 omelette. Oops. Okay, my water is boiling. I will add this carrot first because carrot is quite thick, alright? So I'll blanch the carrot first for about 3 minutes, then I'll add in the broccoli. Oops, this is okay. A little bit ugly for tonight's egg, so never mind. At least you can eat, alright? Another egg over here. So I will do the side first, then I will pan fry the chicken later on and do the sauce. It is almost done. First egg almost done. Remove the egg to the plate first. Okay, so I add some oil to the pan first. I will dust the marinade chicken with some corn flour before deep frying. So not deep fry, it's pan fry. Okay, so this is the veggie is done. So you coat the pan with oil. The pan must be hot, okay, so you can seal the chicken. I marinate the chicken with the usual thing like light soy sauce, cooking wine, minced garlic, ginger juice, about, let's say, 5 minutes on each side. Just make sure it's cooked thoroughly. I use this type of cooking wine. If not, you can use the white wine, or you can use rice wine. It just adds a very nice fragrance to the chicken. Don't go too near, it's quite hot. Later my phone will get burnt off. Now flip over. You can see you got one nice crust. If you don't have any chili flakes, you can use the Korean hot pepper, or you can use this one, fresh chili. Okay, but it's gonna be very spicy. If you cannot take spicy food, then you don't add. Or you can add paprika powder. Because cooking is all up to what you have in the kitchen. You can try to mix it in. See, the veggie is done here, nice and green. Can you see? So later on we will do it. We will plate it on the food. I'm cooking chicken chopped with salted egg yolk sauce. Check inside. Can poke through, so it's quite almost there. I want to have a little bit crispy. Let me flip over. Okay, so now you can add in the garlic at the side. Because my pan is quite big, so I can actually do all the cooking at the same time. I tone down the heat a little while. Add in butter. And my chili flakes. Cook what ah? Chicken chopped with salted egg yolk sauce. Okay, now you can add in about 2 tablespoons of this salted egg yolk powder from North. Add it in. There you go and cook. I'm going to take some sugar. Add in about, let's see, this. About less than 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Add in a little bit more butter. Add in some hot water to thin the sauce. Okay, so you cook it with the chicken. And you are done with the chicken chop with salted egg yolk sauce. is our dinner for tonight. Chicken chop with salted egg yolk sauce. Okay, I will do the plating later on. You can check out at our Instagram photo.